Hello guys, my name is Absalom De Vera, and today I'll be showing you a short little program that the computing team has made for Project 2, Get a Grip. And essentially what we have here, if it runs properly this time. Okay, good. Okay, so before I start the program, we have a robot arm, and pretty much it will pick up 6 containers of different IDs. So there's gonna be 3 big containers and 3 small containers, 1 small and 1 large for each color, so 6 in total. And pretty much our job was to create 2 potentiometers. Well, we didn't create 2 potentiometers, but we had to code the potentiometers, these 2, such that it can move the robot arm, and it will drop the container either in the top compartment or in the lower compartment, whether based on its size, pretty much. So if we begin, so it says here, I just made little prompts so the user will know what to do exactly. So I don't think you saw, but pretty much a container spawn, a red small container spawn, and pretty much the right potentiometer should be able to move the arm right in either direction. So less than 50 will move it counterclockwise, or yeah, if you move to the left, it will move counterclockwise, and if you move to the right, it will move clockwise. And pretty much the left potentiometer here, if we were to set this at 100%, it will open the bottom autoclave and drop the big container. So that's just for the big containers. And then if it was between 50 and 100, not including, it will drop this container into the top part, and we want that pretty much. So just a quick note, look, so if we move it to the green container, it could still move and the program does not continue. We move it to the blue one, same thing happens. But if we move to the red container, see how the Q arm stops, and I can move this however I want and nothing will happen. Pretty cool. I thought that was pretty cool. So because it's a small container, we must move this to between 50 and 100, and it will lower the arm will lower, and then drop the container and reset. And then what we did is I made it so that it will give you like little prompts once again. So you didn't see this before, but once it reached the red autoclave, it said to move the left potentiometer between 0.5 and 1%, or I just say in percentage because why not. So right now we want both potentiometers to be 0.5 to reset it and spawn the next container. So we did this to alleviate some problems that we had, like the Q arm just being randomly over here, and then the container spawning right after, and then just weird bugs would happen. So that just alleviates it. So anyways, we want to go counterclockwise, so we go like this, boom, stops, and then it will give a little prompt right here saying that the left potentiometer must be 1. So if we were here, right, nothing will happen, right? So it must be at 100. And then the Q arm will lower, open this autoclave, drop the container, reset, and close the autoclave. And then we must reset the potentiometers back to 0.5. Excuse me, sorry. This is pretty cool. You know, I actually enjoyed making this. I learned a lot. And like the feeling and reward that you get, after completing or successfully doing something that you wanted it to do was amazing. You know, it was a good feeling. So 51, it's between 50 and 100, so it drops it, resets, And then that's pretty much how it goes through the entire thing. So I'm not sure how many containers we've done so far, but it will keep doing this until all the containers have finished. And once it's finished, it'll a little prompt would say program finished. But let's just go through it, because why not? I think that's everything. Is that it? Closes. There you go. Program finished. So thank you for watching, and see you later.